Mercy and blessings from above descend ceaselessly on Medina. People feel the joy, people feel the love in the city of Rasulullah. A perfect path he laid for everyone. He lived and died for us, what have I done? I have forsaken his life, I have abandoned his way. Oh Allah, now my time has come. Deep in my heart I feel a change has begun. Deep in my soul I feel the warmth of the sun, burning bright with Iman on the road to Ihsan. All my obstacles I will overcome. Peace be upon Rasulullah, peace be upon Habiballah, peace be upon Muhammad, peace be upon Shafi'ullah, peace be upon Khair Khalqillah, peace be upon Muhammad, last of the Anbiya. Without his sunnah we disgraced, people rushing in order to embrace the rahmah that Allah sends down to this place, to the city of Medina. Every language and color you can see, there is unrivaled hospitality, and dates that's as sweet as the smile of a child. Oh, I feel so unworthy. Peace be upon Rasulullah, peace be upon Habiballah, peace be upon Muhammad, peace be